Hi guys, so today's video is going to be on Pamputtae and everything that she had to say in a recent video that she did. The video has gone viral. People have been speculating about who Pamputtae the talk of from who she not talk. Pamputtae basically was saying that all the new dancehall artists them that's coming up are very auto-tuned. They're not real dancehall artists, and people that try force the auto-tune newcomers, palm people in a dancehall. So I guess she was throwing shade or whatever. I don't know who she was throwing shade to, but I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts and opinions on the story. I'm also gonna insert clips and video of both Pamputtae, what Pamputtae had to say. She had 2 clips on her Instagram that's gone viral, and Dydy also stepped into the whole thing because she had a lot to say on what Pamputtae had to say, because people were tagging her in the post speculating that it was Dydy. Some people were speculating that it was Dydy. Some people were speculating that it was Shenseea. So I'm gonna insert all the videos of what everybody had to say, and then I'll come back and give
some of them people are them lie. Them are fools and some people are not ready for dance yet. Okay, yeah. Them not ready yet, and them are force them on the people them. And them want black out real talent like me.
So when you say force on, specifically what it is are you making reference to? You know we keep
them,
it real.
Them not ready yet.
Them
not ready yet. Clear auto-tune on them boys, them not ready for stage, them just not ready.
Alright, well,
force them on.
before Pamputtae starts giving names,
You don't have to give them names.
everybody know.
Everybody know and see. Them a force them on for dancehall and them not ready. From a serious dancehall.
Yeah.
From a ear dancehall.
Well,
so don't hide true talent.
I agree. I agree. Go for it. And of course we're gonna have Pamputtae showcase the true talented dancehall artist she is.
So this is what Dydy have to say.
Like, me in my bed I recover from my little cold me have and my phone blowing up. But I'ma just say this. I don't understand why is there so much hate against the younger females who just come up when it comes to doing music and doing dancehall. And I don't understand why the hate is coming from the older heads, the older females, the veterans, them who we looked up to as a kid growing up, who we used to watch Pamputtae TV and say, yo, I want to be like her one day, or I'm going to be like her one day, bashing us, doing interview about us, posting about us, and all type of things. Like, shit, if we're not going about it the right way, reach out to us and be like, yo, you know what? My sister, that girl that have the drive feet, and I rate what she had to say, you know what? I'm going to reach out to her and give her some advice on how she could go about certain things. Man, if y'all getting outdated, it's not our fault. Like, I'm a better.
So this is the picture when Nuffy put up on Instagram, replying to what Pamputtae said on the interview that she did recently. So MC Nuffy put at Pamputtae, you all like, but as we see you, we see dancehall. Which part? Though the little girl make she get her chance in a dancehall. Shenseea Ramesh where. Where your song there? Where you sing? Both you are dancehall. Both you are dancehall. Go all panak. What the fuck that's supposed to mean?
But they have to fix up some things. Because I do an interview and I say some dancehall artists not ready. And everybody run with it and pick it up.
But man,
and put it a Shenseea foot. I never call Shenseea name. I say some dancehall artists not ready. You have man and you have woman. So why everybody pick it up and say a Shenseea me attack? Then no, big pussy Nuffy I go take my picture now and splice it and attack a bag of things. Nothing make me blood clot tell you blood clot something. Remember see a man suck your wood and you think a woman, you know. Remember that blood clot, you know. Remember say a man suck your wood just up in a woman clothes and you don't know. All no says a man. Remember that. Remember say you dance all floor clad, dance all foot clad. You walk and drain every artist blood clot energy. Oh, yeah, people. Batimo Nuffy. You love running a girl things too much. I saw you steal, you walk and buy your people argument. You look like say, true you know so Ramesh have money, that's why you jump and they walk and anyway money they are there fella. You come like a little batty man. Nuffy you can't drain my energy. Cause right about now something you look from Ramesh. Make you post my picture and a Shenseea and Ramesh in it. I saw me you look, I saw you steal. You anyway you know it's for money there, you walk and itch there. You wear every top man clothes and shoes. Wear and left. I saw you steal. Anyway when you know things are money there, and there you go pitch. You know nobody. You always a jump on back wagon. You don't bust no artist. No artist in a bus runner. You just wait till when people get hype to jump on them thing. I saw you steal. You know nobody Nuffy. You come like a big pussy girl. Next thing again, you go talk, and you go say, me ugly, me.
So that's what Pamputtae had to say, and that's what Dydy also had to say about the whole situation. And honestly, I'm gonna have to side with Dydy with this one. I feel like anytime in dancehall music, people feel like you're a threat to them, especially the woman them, not so much the men. They always try to bring you down and they always try to start a bag of argument and he said and she said and who are the best from, who are the best from, who are attitude from, who not attitude. And honestly, I feel like there is space in dancehall music for everyone that wants to be a part of dancehall music, especially the woman them. Especially the woman them, because there's not a lot of Jamaican dancehall women or females in the industry that's doing a lot in dancehall music. The only people that we can think of off bat was used to be Lady Sa, Mama Sa used to be the queen of dancehall, and now since Sa turned Christian, me feel like Spice is the one that took over that crown basically. And to Spice credit, Spice put in a lot of work and she deserved that crown. She deserved to be called the queen of dancehall. No, because she put in a lot of work. She's been in the industry for a long time, and people like Spice, you never hear they talk about new artists come up and they try force her out of the business and all this other things, because Spice knows that if you put in the work, then it's gonna pay off in the end, and nobody can force out real talent from out of dancehall. Pamputtae, me see you do your thing and you have your sticky wine and it's all good and dandy, but promote your thing. Don't promote negativity within our music and within our culture, especially females. It messes me up so much when I see Jamaican women constantly bickering, constantly going back and forth with each other, constantly disrespecting each other, not only on social media but in our real life. Because honestly, it doesn't do anything more than make Jamaican women and Jamaican people look bad in general. Point blank, period. A progress, we say. Progress, okay? There's more than enough money. There's more than enough funds. There's more than enough everything. There's more than enough auto-tune. There's more enough talent in the dancehall music and dancehall industry for everyone to eat, for everyone to actually live off of. So when Pamputtae they come, they talk about how people auto-tune and people they force people pan dancehall art, pan dancehall people. Like honestly, really, even if they force the artist pan the people them, that shouldn't be none of your business. Your business should be work and work only. And if you feel like they're pushing you out of the scene for putting somebody else, that should only make you want to work harder, or actually give the person that they're putting onto the scene some encouragement, some props, some encouragement, some props, some upliftment. Try to be happy for somebody else that's coming up. So not because somebody else is coming up means that you're good. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this whole mix up with Pamputtae, Dydy, Shenseea. Everybody is speculating as to who she's talking about. Nobody know if a Dydy in the talk. Nobody know if a Shenseea she the talk. People speculate that it's either Dydy or Shenseea. And it can be a host of other people also in the dancer industry, because Dydy do our thing, Shenseea do our thing. So who knows who she's talking about? Who knows? Who really know? Only she know who she talk about. Until she actually comes out and say who exactly she's talking about, then nobody can say. But as for the whole going back and forth and shading people because they're coming up or they're trying to make moves in dancer, me no depend that. Me no support that at all. So comment in the comment section and